Hello everyone. So today we'll start coding some, today we'll discuss some project idea. So this is the scenario. So my roommate, he has a short-term memory issue. So we have health aid coming here, and there are a few people, so he has to take medication, for example, at every day in certain time. And suppose if there is a miscommunication between the aid, sometimes there's a chance that he can miss the medication. So we are going to write a small app which will serve the purpose of as a reminder to take the medication. So here is what we want to do. So we have our, say, the medicine schedule, for example, the schedule, so when to take the medication. Suppose this is in some file, we will start assuming that this file already exists on our hard disk. Suppose we need to decide what kind of format, right, for the times we want. We can start say this is first day 6 a.m. we can maybe do line by line, say 6 a.m. so suppose next medication is at 9 a.m. and then say 12 p.m. and say 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. so we could also do in one line with the comma separation, but we choose say line by line. And suppose this is my schedule file. At the moment we assume that this is already there. And now what we want, so what we have to do, right? So let's think about that. So we need to open the file, right? So we have to read the file, right? Second thing, what we need, so now we have to parse it, right? Parse the file, which basically is what we need to do. We have to extract the content, right? So which means we need to know, the time, the numerical, the digit, right, and AM or PM. So we have to go through this file line by line and then get all the times of 6, 9, 12, whichever time is listed there, right? So we get this and also AM. And third thing what we need to do, so we have to for example, we need some kind of, we have to look for the time, right? So we'll do the time. So time, we need to say that we have to keep monitoring the time, right? Monitor the time, and then whenever the time, right, suppose it's t is equal to say 6, for example, we need some kind of an alarm, right? Maybe a beep. We can also do some kind of a play wave sound which can say something like, oh, it's time for medication, it's time for medicine, right? And so these two things, right, once it parses, it has to it will go through the times, and every time the time is matching with 6, 9, 12, or it will create this beep. So it will keep on going as a loop. So let us assume that we keep our app on all the time, and then so it will, depending upon whenever the time is 6, 9, or 12, it will create that sound or play the wave audio. So this is what we want to achieve. So so we will start together coding this medicine reminder app together in coming videos. Thank you very much for watching.